Okay.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today we are on a quest to hunt. Lewis, Hector, and Eric go to Popeyes. We're going to try to get the Popeyes chicken sandwich, but Lewis said that it's always been backed up every time he's driven by it. So we don't know if we'll actually accomplish it, but the goal today is to go to Popeyes, get that new, delicious, hyped up chicken sandwich, the spicy one, because I guess that's the better one, and then maybe go to Chick-fil-a and compare the two and compare the service. So that's where we're going now. A little food review on the Groms. All right, YouTube, let me know what you guys think if you already had the Popeyes chicken sandwich. So I'm going to be doing a comparison to Chick-fil-a just because that's what it most kind of resembles. So if you don't have a Chick-fil-a where you're at, you know, you might not know, but that's what I'm going to use as the baseline for my food review. One thing to note, Lewis, I don't know how you take yours or you, Hector, but the Popeyes sandwich comes with mayonnaise on it. I plan on getting it with no mayonnaise, so it's exactly like a Chick-fil-a sandwich. Pickles, chicken, bun. Oh, bro, wave at the real bikers. No waves, no waves, no waves, no wave. One wave, two waves. We got two waves out of those guys. That's why nobody likes Harleys. Whatever, man. Get a real bike. This person's gas cap's open. Should I close it? Hey, your gas cap's open. I'm gonna close it. Your gas cap's open. I'm gonna close it. Your gas cover's open. I'm gonna close it for you. He's just look. This thing. Look. I'm just gonna close it. You see? He was so confused with what I was saying. He was a big dude. I don't want to get punched. You guys got me all scared. Good deed for the day done. My plan is to go to Popeyes because that's going to be the longest wait. Get the bag in the drive-thru, put it in my lap, go one block down, go to Chick-fil-a, and then get that one and then go park and eat it. I want like a side-by-side comparison because I want to take a bite of one, then a bite of another one. I might even drink some milk or water in between. Cleanse my palate. I guarantee Chick-fil-a will be in and out like 3 minutes total. What do you think is going to be better, Chick-fil-a or Popeyes?
I think Chick-fil-a still got it. But I think Popeyes is overhyped right now.
Lewis?
I don't know. I've heard it's not an actual spicy chicken. It's just a sauce. It's spicy.
Look, there's nobody even there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we're going. They better put something on the drive-thru. Here, do a lap through the drive-thru. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get it on the line. All right, we're at the Popeyes. Lewis and Hector think that. I'm not going. No. There's people inside. There's a whole line. Look at them. All right. They're not gonna deny us. I googled it, and they people always do it. Why would they deny it?
You got kicked out of Burger King.
It's 4 in the morning. All right, I'll go through it. You guys hang out here, or you can stand in line inside if you want, and then just keep on Cardo. We'll just talk. You want me to get yours if I get up there first? All right, if you get up there first, then get me a just regular spicy, but no sauce. If it's only the sauce that's spicy, then yeah, give me the sauce on it.
Yeah, you don't get those good.
Well, that'll be like comparison. Popeyes versus Chick-fil-a. Will they serve you on a Grom? I think that's an important thing to review. I'm just gonna put this on neutral. Chick-fil-a you can go through on a tank and they'd be like, oh, my pleasure. They don't care. You seen that video? Lewis, you weren't in the Discord last night, but that video where the Coast Guard is like banging on the drug cartel submarine. Someone put in the comments when you forget your change at the Chick-fil-a drive-thru, the Chick-fil-a employees like running back and banging on your door to give it back to you. Let's see, it is 4:57 right now. We'll see how long it takes to get through this Popeyes chicken drive-thru. I'm up, man. Hey, how you doing? Can I just get the spicy chicken sandwich? Just the sandwich by itself?
Just a spicy chicken sandwich?
Yeah.
That's gonna be it for you?
That's it?
You can pull it out through the window.
All right, thanks.
There you go.
Thank you.
Drive safe.
All right, we're done at Popeyes. We're now gonna go over to Chick-fil-a and see how quick we can go through there. We just gotta hang our Yui. I already know my chicken sandwich is like that big because it's like all crunched up now. It's in my hoodie. Like I can feel it. I hope it like spans out. Hey, Scoot Life. He gave us a wave. I'll go through drive-thru and I'll meet you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go through drive-thru. Of course I'm gonna go through drive-thru. It's gonna be fast. Watch. It is 5:32. What's up, man? Can I just get the spicy chicken sandwich?
Okay, anything else?
Just a bottle of water. That's it.
Spicy chicken sandwich. A bottle of water, right?
Yep.
Any sauces and condiments?
Oh, thank you.
Okay, it's gonna be $5.80.
Here you go.
Need a name?
Eric? Have you tried it yet? Have you tried it? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Comparison. Hello.
Hi, Derek.
Eric.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And a bottle of water.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. That was so easy. All right, so it is 5:38. We got our food, our water. Lewis and Hector have already found out what happens at the end of the movie. Now it's my turn. Got my phone. Are you leaving?
Yeah.
All right, man.
I'm gonna go put my girlfriend so we can eat some ass.
Thanks for coming. See you later. Hector's got to go pick up his girl. All right, here it is. Moment of truce. Hello. Is that the Popeyes? Oh, okay. Here we go. All right, first I'm just gonna open them both up. We're gonna look at them, and then I'm gonna have to move the helmet so I can take a bite. Got my water to cleanse the palate. All right, first up is this hunk of chicken-ness from Popeyes. So there's the Popeyes chicken sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich, and then this is the Chick-fil-a Spicy Chicken Sandwich. So let's open them both up. Popeyes, Chick-fil-a. Appearance wise, Chick-fil-a wins, I think. This looks like a mess, but let's take a bite. Looks can be deceiving. All right, which one are we gonna go first?
Once you take a bite of Chick-fil-A, or
I'll do Popeyes first because I already know what that tastes like.
it's gonna be over already.
Oh, spoiler alert, he's saying this is better. All right, let me crack the helmet. Yeah, all right, there it is. Popeyes chicken sandwich.
It's not that spicy.
All right, this might be blasphemy. Spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes. That's what she looks like on the inside. Okay, now we're gonna take a bite of, I'm gonna go for the meaty part of the spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-a.
Disappointing, huh?
Wow. 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 Wow, guys. All right. So when I bit into the chicken sandwich from Popeyes, it was good, flavorful, moist, crunchy, juicy, a little spice. But I wasn't like, okay, I wasn't completely blown away. But then I bit into the Chick-fil-a spicy sandwich, and the taste of this versus that, this is so much more flavorful and tasty compared to that. This tastes like a chicken McNugget from McDonald's now. It is crazy. Okay, the hype is real, guys. I'm gonna finish this guy, but 100% the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes completely blows away this. Look at this, looks like McDonald's now. Look at it, it's so flat. What do you think? Agree? Yeah. All right, spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes. The hype lives up. Go out and get your own, guys. Dang, man, I feel like I gotta change religions now. All right, Chick-fil-A, you better step up your game. This is shots fired.
The meat in Chick-fil-A is so much.
Yeah, look how small that is. Look at the different size. Besides the bun falling out, look at the different size, the flake. Wow. Popeyes, you guys did it right. All right, the hype is real. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys preferred if you've had it. Popeyes versus Chick-fil-A. We'll see you in the next one. Take a bite. And then wink at the camera. You can't, you're horrible. You'll never be a food reviewer like this.